Hello, my name's Mitch Arnold with Always Clean in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. I started receiving Cleanfax in 1997. What it means to me is I've always found something that I could apply and learn. I was amazed at the wealth of information. And after a while, I had so many magazines, I had to go through them and get the articles out and put them in a binder so I didn't have piles of magazines around. Through Cleanfax, I learned about Howard Partridge, Jeff Cross. It was amazing. So now that we have digital, you can file it away on your computer. I'm learning about computers. I'm not as good as my wife is, but I see the value of it. The quality of the articles are amazing. So if you're watching this now and you do not get Cleanfax, please get Cleanfax at cleanfax.com and you will be amazed. Everything is right on, current. They're not giving information that people got 10, 20 years ago. It will help your business today.